MT's watching fireworks. Hello. MT, can you stand up? MT, please stand up. Because we want to see you watching fireworks. There you go. Can I see your face? There you go. Hi. Oh. It goes slowly, but then it will. Oh, that's big. That's big. That's big.
One can. So loud.
So loud. Why is it so loud? Beautiful,
Please
MT.
just be a different color.
It's so beautiful today.
But why is it not changing colors yet?
Say something in the background. Say it.
Why isn't it changing colors?
Why is changing color?
It's not changing colors. It's just gold and red.
Oh, that looks really beautiful. Look at a lot of people, MT.
Why is it only gold and red that works today?
Where is it now? Yay! Just loud, so loud. Cover your ear. Yeah, I love this one. Oh, all red. I love red, yellow. This is so wonderful.
Can there be different colors?
Can it be different? Can it be green?
Yeah.
Blue?
Like different colors.
Turn around, turn around, turn around. Wow! Okay, turn around, turn around. Yay! Oh, that's green color. Yellow, yellow, green. It's 3 minutes long. Wow. Được 3 phút rồi.
Can I sit down now?
Yes, you can. for you with the fireworks at the very final minute. It's almost 5 minutes long today. What a great, spectacular fireworks. Thank you, MT. Thank you for showing. Say goodbye to your subscribers.
My subscribers.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye. And